Okay, here we go. I need to fix this. Today's blue. Why not? And oh, my light is going off. Don't know why. Be back. Actually, new thing I did now. Look at this. It's great. You can still hear me because I haven't muted my microphone. Right, good thing that this happened at the beginning. I hope the light will not go off again. I haven't figured out why. At the beginning, I thought that it goes off because of the cable, like the connection. But I actually make sure it's really like, yeah, I don't know. Right, what are we doing today? I actually spent the afternoon trying to set up the mailing. Not code-wise, just the setting up of the actual websites, which is kind of done now. So I need to connect it to my Quarkus. So here we go. Stream 4 to do. Set up API key. Get all the pending messages to send. I don't know about this one. I really hate ghost policies. Really hate ghost policy. Yeah. This is one thing I always forget to do. That is going on my app and actually change the name of the stream. So, while I do this, I can hear myself on today's technical difficulty days. The light is off again, and I don't know. Maybe I should just do the stream like this, low lights, you know. Okay. Well, I have 3 viewers. Can the 3 viewers tell me if? Of course, I hate ghost policy, but should I just not have the lights on? Because it just keeps going off. I don't know what to do. I have another light here, but it's not the same. I guess we do the stream low lights today. And let's find out why. Another day. IntelliJ. Let's start from the beginning. From the beginning. I already have a branch. Stream 4. Maybe. Yes. And I love the fact that I can have the chat on the screen now. I guess you guys see this chat too, but it's like up here now. Very cool. Let's name the stream. How do we name the stream? The struggle is real. Now how do I actually do it? Oh, thank you so much for Alright Didi to sign up to be my follower. I might have asked her a few times. And now I have 4 viewers. Amazing people. Thank you so much for being here. The light is off today because I turned it off already twice and doesn't go on. So low lights. No, one thing at a time. Stream manager. Honestly, technology is really hard for someone that does programming. How do I even change the name of this? Manage your channel directly on your phone. If I click on it, what happens? This is really boring because I'm not gonna set up the stream name. I don't care enough. Apparently I need to sort out some stuff to be able to email. Okay, so I would like to have this pin somewhere. I just leave it there. Okay. Create an API key. How do we call it? First attempt. Sounds good. Great key. One thing I have not, I realized just now, I don't actually have. I don't actually have my music on. What were we listening to today? I was listening to this, Karina. Oh, it's not great. I want Beethoven. I need to say I've listened to this 1 hour video non-stop the whole January 2025 while I was programming this app. Lovely app. Horrible memories. I'm really not happy with the light, by the way. I would try one more time to turn it on, and if not, I would just leave it off. I'm questioning, with the stream is starting 5 minutes ago and it's still not going well. Do I need to continue? Whew. Okay. No, definitely the light looks better. Like I actually have some color in me. I should take a screenshot. Hi. Blue is also not my color, but this blue looks great. I have someone that really likes this blue. Okay. We can start. API key, echo. This is amazing. This is Lazy People 101. Look at that. That was amazing. Now git ignore. Oh, amazing. Fantastic. Okay. Start the packages. You want some music? Oh, I wonder if I can. Oh, Didi, when you were here, you managed to get my lights working, and now you're gone, and the light is gone with you. Yeah, what do I do, Didi? Well, how did you fix it last time? It would be nice to know. I'm not looking at your messages, Didi, just because otherwise I have like this long too. Light is gone. Light is gone with you. Yes. 1 second. Okay, this was the third time I turned on, and now it's too bright. Now it's in my face too bright. I will say this is the third time I turn on the light again. Third time the charm also, otherwise it's gonna stay off. But I do need to say my hair looks nicer in the lights. Or I look nicer in the light actually. Everything looks nicer. Right, I'm rambling. Right, because I don't know how to do this, my best friend of ChatGPT actually tells me. POM. Dependency. Fantastic. Oh, hello everyone for tuning in. I know I can interact with the chat. So my interaction with chat actually, this is amazing because you don't go, oh, IT student being surprised about IT stuff, but I'm dragging the chat on here and you guys don't see it because it's part of OBS. This is amazing. Learning something new every day. You see the chat? No, you see, no. You see the chat that I set on the screen, but not the chat that I'm interacting with, I think, anyway. Okay, the light is staying off. I'm done. I'm done with the light. Well, I hate it though because I wanted my light. Now you guys don't see me. Okay, take a breath. It's fine. It's one thing that I could do, which is changing the light in midstream is not a great idea, is it? Because I want to put it here now, but it's not going to work. Like if I could just look at that. But I need to hold it up. Okay, it's not going to work. At this point. No shit. I just want to get on with my programming. I'm gonna leave the lights off. Okay, interesting take. It feels better to be in the dark. I feel like the light is not that bad. I'm just used to have like that big light that keeps turning off. But I mean, the vibe is not bad. I have this cute light here. Roughly. Like, we're not too in the dark. It's okay. We need to keep going because I want to start sending some emails out to the future. For those who just connected, basically I'm programming an app that will allow user to send email to the future to themselves or to other people. So imagine, obviously this is our edge case, but imagine, you might not be alive in 20 years or something and you want to send a message to your future grandkids or whatever. But also, I use it for myself. I send message to myself in like 3 months, especially when I'm not doing well, because I'm like, hey, you weren't doing well 3 months ago. I hope you're doing better. But dependency hell from Maven, it's here to annoy me. Okay, let's do this properly with the documentation form. Here we go. Scope compiled. Do I need that? I don't think so. What? Yes, we got to. So if I can move my light to the left, not to this left. Sounds great. Thank you. You can still hear me fine, I guess, even if I am not attached to the microphone, I guess. Oh, okay. It's been 15 minutes. We now need to get going. Dependency is being approved. Next. Where's my ChatGPT now? Create a service to send email. Okay, we can do that. Utils, new Java class. Send. Great. Email service. Yes, we're gonna need these. Can I just be cheeky and copy and paste everything? No one is gonna be like, you copy and paste from ChatGPT. It's not gonna work anyway. This is when I always get confused and I never know which input is the right one. Send grid helpers. Yeah, clearly. Right. How am I planning to call it? Didi, do you have an advice on how to call it? For now, the whole project is called Message Future, because I think the programmer should not actually be naming anything because we have no imagination. But that's my hot take. Do you have an idea? Do you want to brainstorm how to call my Send Message to the Future app? Yeah. Oh, my bad. I actually haven't even started the project. I just realized we started we started without the Docker Compose app. Docker Compose app. Done. Oh dear future self. But the thing, it's not necessary for yourself. Like you can even send it to other people. You just need to have their email address, right? So it's more like sending to the future. Schedule sender. And it's running, right? So what do we mean is running? So now this is up, which means I can create a new message. No. Yeah. Yes. This is where I went last time. I tested, and email recipient would be goddess testing sending, and we wanna send it. Okay, this is maybe weird for people, but I'm gonna send it to yesterday, so then I have an entry on the database that is from the past. Created, get all messages. So these are all the messages I have in the database. This is the one I just created. Amazing. But yes, we need so I normally don't explain my programming, but because I have some viewers that are not programmers, we have a service and I need to call the service, and this is a service I just created, which is supposed to send email, but no usage. Now in my other service, that's it. I can remove this and put this one, import class. Right. There's no method called send, of course. How are you called? Send email. I wish I could send an email to yesterday. By the way, I can't send an email to yesterday. I can't even send an email at this point. Because awaits is correct. Oh, this needs to be asynchronous. How do I make a method asynchronous in Java? Okay. Look at me going on Stack Overflow instead of going on ChatGPT. If anyone who taught me here would be proud of me. I was cocky. I said I was going to ChatGPT. Sorry, I was going to Stack Overflow instead of ChatGPT, but I am giving up because I opened 2 Stack Overflow and none of them have my answer. So, Gemini it is. Let's see how Gemini does with just code and no context. I think the code is the context anyway. Here we go. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, this is amazing. But this doesn't fix the weight issue. Great bone broth. Okay. See, this is when AI pisses me off, okay? This is correct. This is... And then it just decided it wants to do what it wants. Like, why? Why would you call a repository layer from here? No, not even, just... Fuck's sake. Okay. I am upset at AI messing with my great code because I'm using the service, the repository service correctly, and then this fucker wants to just repository. Right, schedule message and schedule every 1 minute and a half. Process of pending messages. Okay, this is one we actually need to worry. 4. Try. Send email. That's it. Yeah, but okay, the question is it gonna work? Process message send. That's a fun one. Why am I putting everything final, you might wonder? Because I had PTSD from my internship that if stuff wasn't final, I would get my pull request declined. So that's not solving the issue, I'm just taking time because the issue is the fact that this API key is not being read. But it's in here. Oh, it's the wrong fact. No. Have I not? Never get emotional over code. I always get emotional over code, so shut up. Most of the time it's happy emotions over code. No, frustration. Frustration is definitely a strong emotion over code. No, you can speak. You might speak. Could it be so simple because it's like this here and it's supposed to be like this here? No. Okay, this is when I I wish someone could help me, and probably only AI can at this point. This is not the reason, so that's okay, wait, because I have no. I had is set in the Yeah, I mean, I thought the same. I thought exactly the same. It's okay. Mm. Right. So it's saying I should do this. But it's exactly what I just tried. Okay, I understood. I think so anyway. Will it work? I don't know. No. I can click my fingers a lot. Doesn't even hurt. It's actually quite enjoyable. Okay, it's not seeing the API key, and I'm getting frustrated. Also, is dot annotation. Oh. Okay. Oh, is this the missing pieces we need? I don't even need any of this, by the way. In theory, I put auto overload, and basically I never trust technology, so I'm gonna restart it. Okay. Do I just... because I have it here. Of course, I needed to put it in my Docker Compose. That was silly. Okay. Where is it? Services with backend image. Image environment. This one. We have it now. Okay, one thing at a time. This is done. Struggling. Hell no. Yes. Actually, I was actually thinking that the message needs to have a user ID, which means I'm gonna need user, which means I'm gonna need people to log in. But then I wanted to have. Let me brainstorm this. I want. Need to make a whole house. Also, haha, I need to. Alright, so we make a new column name user ID public string. Oh, oh my god, this is amazing. In my controller. Ah. Okay. Can't believe it's been an hour already and I feel like I've achieved nothing in this. This is programming 101. Right. Okay. Import. Already had it. Check out. Yes. Oh no. Plus. There we go. That wasn't that hard, was it? Okay, 1 second, because here I'm actually just passing the DTO and then in the service I'm up the DTO to the object. But then I need to add the user ID. So do I just pass the user ID as well? Yeah, he's just doing everything in one go. It's disgusting. Certo. I can inject the DTO here. I inject inject the GW token here. Message string user ID. Okay, so I only need this part anyway. Okay, let's go this way. What do you walk to? That's the question. Yeah, sure. Don't even know if this is the right So I have a clear to-do list and I just ignore it. It is darker than I thought, actually. I will try one more time with the light because this is annoying me. And then we go on this one, actually, because I think I'm gonna leave this for never. I'm joking. I have to do it. Okay, let's try one more time with the light. Much better. See, now we can see the beautiful curves. And I say we, I mean you guys. I literally just sat down and the light went off again. I feel like I need a refund, but it was Timo, so. Okay, okay. We can do this. We can do this. With our lights. I can make my... How do I increase the brightness? Okay, so now this is just the light from my screen. Not bad. I still want to find out how to give my stream a name when it starts. While ChatGPT tells me how to do this stuff. Actually, I call ChatGPT is Gemini. Gemini is better. Okay. Yes, that's what I meant then. Encryption. Yep. New Java class encryption util.java. And I'm gonna be lazy. I need an encryption key. Encryption key, and it says the encryption key. This will do for now. Oh, but we need Docker it down, Docker it up. Is it a news happening or not? But this I don't need here. Okay, for separation of concern, I need to put the decryption somewhere. So I encrypt it. This one I'm just gonna talk out loud. Oh wait, I have a rubber duck somewhere. There we go. Okay, and look, I can sit on my... It's amazing. Fantastic. So I'm talking to the rubber duck now because I have a bug. No bug, sorry. I'm talking to the rubber duck now because I don't know where to put this. So when I create the message, I encrypt the field that need to be sensitive. Okay, fine. But then I schedule message and decrypt. This makes sense, but also doesn't. Because I don't think it should be in the repository of the message to find and decrypt it. Where should it be? No, it cannot make sense, but then I need to also put stuff in the service layer, right? I think so. And my music stopped. Yeah, I'm still watching. Now go advertisement in my ear. Okay. First, find the message and decrypt the content and email address. Okay. Then send. What time was that, by the way? I completely forgot. What's the time? Okay. 1 hour. 5. April. More clock. This is amazing. Okay. The rubber duck is not helping me anymore. Goes back up there. This will go in. No, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense because I'm already looking. I already have. I find all the email that need to be sent. So I already have them. I just need to decrypt. Okay. I think that decryption is just gonna be on oh, I should decrypt in the service layer as well, actually. Okay, we're going back. Okay. We're going back. Back more. Okay. We start again. From. So if the service layer does the logic, it makes sense that the service layer is the one crypting it and decrypting it, of course. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I guess I am right. Service layer will encrypt and decrypt. So, wrong layer. Wrong service. I think I'm getting tired. Is this service? Do I even need to decrypt the content? No. Do I want to? Yes. Will it create a problem in the future? Maybe. Am I still trying to change the name of the stream? Yes. Attempt number 4 this time. Funny enough, the first stream I did, I actually managed to do it very quickly. We need to decrypt. This is when this is autopilot from IntelliJ. This is ridiculous. What? Have you just seen what it did? Like, look. Okay, now that's better. The first suggestion was crap. Look at that. Look at that. What is it? What? Wow. Okay. I want. So we're gonna do system, yeah, just to see if it works. Do move it debugging. Okay. Okay. I finished my broth. I think I need a cup of tea. I think I'm gonna take a 5 minutes, take a cup of tea, make a new cup of tea, and then what do I need to do still? Let's go on the to do. Done. I meant encryption. Encrypt. Okay. So normally we'll finish the stream, but today I feel very motivated. Today I want to carry on going. So break T, try again with the light, and course policy hell. Because if I hit a wall on the course policy within 20 minutes, I turn it off. But that's the plan. So I would just make my tea. To be fair, I could have just turned on the screen and you guys see me making my tea, but that would be a little bit too much. So just a minute. Oh. And we're gonna music back on. At least I have the music back on. But okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mute. Great. And put the music on. Obviously, when I try to turn the music on for the house, it's advertisement. It's always advertisement. Break the light course policy. We can get this done. We can get this done. Oh, this is sad. I turn on the music back on, but you guys can't hear it. It's just for me, I guess. I didn't even make it back to my seat that the light went off again. I don't know what to do. Like, what? What do I do? Time to end. Sounds like a good idea, actually. Maybe I should just end it here. Struggle with the course policy by myself. And I think the next week I can start the UI. I think I'm gonna do like a design during the weekend, and then Tuesday next stream we start the UI. It will be for iPhones, although Android, but I don't want to do React Native. I'm happy with Swift. And I need to practice my Swift because, yeah, I don't think I'm that good yet. But I don't think I'm that good with anything, to be honest. I mean, programming-wise. So yeah, maybe it's time to end it. Right. Thank you everyone for tuning in. How many people are we? I think we stayed 4. We started with 4 and I think we stayed 4 the whole time. And with 5 of us now. What a shame, I should end it. Okay. Right. Bye everyone. I will struggle by myself with the course policy. This is not going to be recorded. Fantastic. Bye bye. This is still recording. I always need to keep remembering that. I shall turn it off. And the light also went off. See? Technical difficulty from the beginning to the end. So this is very much unexpected, but I forgot to commit. So my water is boiling and then I need to commit my code. I jumped back on because I had to commit my code. But now, ooh, the water. Okay, the water is not being picked up. Oh, this is terrible. This is terrible. Alright, we're not leaving without committing. I don't even know if he works. Try to add the email sender. No sure. To check it works. And encryption of the content and email. Commit and push. 7 warnings. Huh. I'm okay with those. I'm okay with those. I'm not sure about this one. But now it's 4 warning. Okay, normally I only commit when I have 3, but I want to get my tea done. And I already ended the stream and came back just because I forgot to commit. So let's just get this done. Push. Delete. Git checkout minus b stream 5. UI building. I guess that's how we're gonna call it, although I'm not sure I'm gonna actually do any UI stuff, but we'll see. Right, I'm going for real now. Bye.